living. Today, we're diving into the seated forward fold, a beautiful pose that not only stretches your hamstrings, but also calms the mind. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your practice, you're in the right place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back for more yoga tips and techniques. With over 30 years dedicated to health, exercise, and nutrition, I've spent the last several years teaching yoga and helping students deepen their practice. I've seen how the seated forward fold can transform not just flexibility, but also internal clarity. Let's get set up. I'm going to use a strap, but if you don't have a strap, that's okay. You can always use a belt or a tie, something that's just not too stretchy so that you can wrap it around the balls of your feet. And I'll turn sideways here to demonstrate. So we want to be able to wrap our strap right around the balls of our feet and have pretty much equal length on either side with one strap in each hand. So the intent of this pose is to be able to sit up nice and tall, coming forward on our sits bones. And when we come forward, we're going to hinge forward, so like we're trying to bring our nose out over our knees. We don't want to have a slumped back because that's really hard on the discs in your back. So I'll give you a minute to go ahead and get yourself set up, and then we'll get started. Let's start with the foundation. Let's go ahead and make sure that we are forward on our sits bones, sitting up nice and tall with a nice straight back. We're going to take our strap. We're going to wrap it around the balls of our feet. We're going to take one strap in each hand as we sit up nice and tall. We're going to take a nice deep inhale in. And when we do, we're going to pull our navel in and up towards our spine. Flex our feet. And on your exhale, just give a little bit of pull as you come forward and bring your nose out over your knees. Now you might only go about 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, and that's okay. As soon as you start to feel that stretch in your back and in your hamstrings, you're doing it. And one of the reasons that we want to flex our feet here is because that engages our quadricep muscles. And when we engage our quadricep muscles, that tells our hamstrings that it's okay to release. Everything works together. So sitting up nice and tall, and exhaling, pulling ourselves forward, tucking our elbows in towards our ribs, and just giving a nice gentle pull as we try to bring that nose out over our knees. Don't forget to breathe. Nice deep inhale in, and exhale out. One more time, inhaling in, and exhaling out. We're going to take one more deep breath in, and on our exhale, we're going to go ahead and release the strap. Drop your hands down to your shins. Reach down as far as you comfortably can, without rounding your lower back. And then we're going to drop our head down and round our upper thoracic spine. At this point, you can go ahead and release your feet so that they're not flexed. This will release your knees, this will release your quadriceps, and just relax into the pose. Take some nice deep breaths. Maybe on your next exhale, you can walk your hands down just a little bit farther on your shins. Again, nice flat back. Breathing in, and on your exhale, relaxing, deepening your pose a little bit. And just feel that beautiful stretch that you get in your back and along your hamstrings. And when you're ready, on your next inhale, you can always slowly bring yourself back up. And I'll move my strap over to the side. The seated forward fold is a wonderful pose for stretching and relaxing the back and the hamstrings. Remember to maintain a long spine and listen to your body as you fold forward. It's not about how far you can reach out, but how you can connect with your breath. In time, you'll find that you can go just a little bit deeper into the pose. I'd love to hear from you. What's been your experience with the seated forward fold? Have you faced any challenges? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you had any particular challenges. I'd love to know how this pose feels for you. Have you noticed any changes in your flexibility or mindset? Share your experiences below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more yoga tips and classes. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.